Hey, it's Sam. If you're watching this video, then you're probably wondering what solo ads are. Well, stick around because that's exactly what I'm talking about. On my channel, I always release videos on digital marketing and passive income strategies, so consider subscribing. Also, if you want, you can click on the link below to get access to my recession-proof business model that will teach you how to build an online business from the ground up. So don't worry if you have zero experience, because you'll get the best training that will make you the top marketer. Great, let's get to the content. So what are solo ads? Solo ads are email advertisements that are created by other people who already compile their own audience's email list. And this is enticing to people that are just starting their own marketing business because they don't have any email lists of their own. So for those people that don't know what an email list is, an email list is a list of emails that are gathered together from an audience, usually within one specific niche. And these lists are enticing to beginner marketers because they don't have a list of their own. They haven't built a list of their own. And what's an easier way of acquiring a list of emails? By buying them from sellers, right? So solo ad sellers usually just advertise a link that the buyers want them to advertise to. And a lot of courses, a lot of affiliate marketing courses, it's easy to learn and easy to do for affiliate marketing, but the results are not good at all, because the traffic that the solo ad sellers have on their email list are usually bots or just emails that people don't really use. So stay aware of that when you're looking into generating your own traffic. So usually quality email solo ad sellers, they sell for maybe $1 per click and up, depending on how well they sell it. It could get really expensive, especially if you want to mass email a bunch of people. And because the usual quality of solo ads are terrible, there are some sites that try to fix that. And there's platforms that frown upon bot users or just plain scammers. And these platforms include Udemy, Solo Ads X, 7 Days Buyer, and Fiverr. And on these platforms, all you have to do is create an account, look for a seller that actually has all the boxes checked marked for what you want to advertise, and they'll just do their job of emailing those people towards the niche that you selected, right? Now imagine that seller probably has a lot of clients that are like you, and they're pretty much spamming their email lists, right? Because their emails are always being advertised to. And in my previous sessions, I say that generally, people don't want to be sold to. Now, what do you think happens when your link is emailed to them? People click on it, but will they ever convert? Will they ever buy your offer or product? Highly unlikely. So it also depends on the quality of these emails and the quality of the seller, depending on if they're legit or not. So if you plan on doing solo ads, just know that it's really hard to find a really good seller that provides good emails. And not only that, if you're a beginner, don't do solo ads. It's not worth it. You're just pretty much pouring your money down into the drain if you're doing solo ads and you don't know what to look for. So I hope you found this valuable. If you enjoyed this session, please leave a comment down below. If you're interested in building your own affiliate marketing business online, make sure you click on the link down below in the description, and you'll get to opt into a free 4-day video training series where we'll dive deeper in depth on affiliate marketing and how it can benefit you in the future. So be sure to click on that in the description down below, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you for joining me in this session. I hope you learned some valuable tips and tricks to begin your affiliate marketing career. If you want to find out more about doing affiliate marketing the right way, consider subscribing to the channel. Like the video if you liked it, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. For more tips, be sure to subscribe into my email list and get the 8-step affiliate marketing mastery guide for free. And I'll see you on the other side.